Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youthman. In today's video, we're gonna see how far we can stretch $200. But before we get into the video, if you're into home theater, audio and video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. All right guys, so as you can see, I am not in my theater room. I'm actually in the truck. I'm about to head out to pick up a pair of speakers, a center channel, as well as a subwoofer. And we're gonna do all of that for just $200. Now over the years, I have found a lot of what I call Youthman deals. Youthman deals are just ridiculous price stuff on the used market to save a ton of cash. I realize not everybody has the budget to buy, say, a $3,000 pair of speakers or maybe a $2,500 subwoofer. And so I'm gonna show you today how you can find some budget-friendly speakers to begin to build your home theater regardless of what kind of budget you have. There's deals that are out there. You just got to be patient, have some cash put aside, and continually looking on the used market. So let's go ahead and get on the road. Let's go pick these things up. All right, so I just got here. So as you can see back here, I've got some blankets. Moving blankets are always nice when you're picking up speakers so you don't damage them. So let's go inside, let's get the speakers, let's get back on the road. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we found today. So here we have two Klipsch speakers. Now these are older models. But these are the Klipsch RF version 5s. So these have dual 8-inch drivers. So there's a pair of them. And then also up here in the front, we've got a Klipsch RC3 center channel, as well as a pretty small, I believe it's a Yamaha, looks like an YST SW216. Honestly, that ain't worth much at all, but it still might be good for them. All right, so the reason I picked up these speakers is, number one, they were just a really good deal. It's a good buy. And so for 200 bucks, we ended up with a pair of Klipsch reference speakers, the RF5s, the Klipsch RC3 version 2 center channel, and a small subwoofer for 200 bucks. The other reason why I picked it up is because a friend of mine had asked me to kind of be on the lookout for just a small budget system that he could pick up and purchase for his home as he begins to build his home theater. So I thought this would be a great buy for him, as well as provide great performance. And so I reached out to him last night and asked him what he thought, and he said, absolutely, let's go ahead and do it. And so I told him I wouldn't mind going and picking them up since he had other obligations today. So guys, I just want to encourage you, there are deals to be had out there. Even if you don't have a huge budget, definitely take a look at Craigslist, OfferUp, LetGo, Facebook Marketplace, all of those places, eBay occasionally, but typically you're not gonna find really good deals on there. But those other resources, man, there's just so much that's out there if you just continually look, be on the watch, and have some cash set aside so that when those deals come along, you've got the means to go and get them. Well guys, if you found the video helpful, smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And as always, you guys be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.